Welcome to Mastering Your Mornings, a guide to the first hour of your day. In this video, we'll explore how to kickstart your day on a positive and productive note. Let's dive right in. The wake-up routine. The first step to a great day begins with a mindful wake-up routine. Start by stretching, taking a few deep breaths, and setting a positive intention for the day. Hydration and nourishment. Hydration and nourishment are key. Begin with a glass of water to rehydrate your body and follow it up with a nutritious breakfast to fuel your day. Mindfulness and gratitude. Take a few moments for mindfulness and gratitude. Meditate to clear your mind and reflect on what you're grateful for. It sets a positive tone for the day. Planning your day. Efficiently plan your day. Organize your tasks, set achievable goals, and prioritize your to-do list. A well-structured day leads to increased productivity. Physical activity. Move your body. Engage in some light exercises, yoga, or a quick workout. Physical activity in the morning boosts your energy and improves your overall mood. Learning or personal growth. Allocate time for personal growth. Whether it's reading a book or learning a new skill, investing in yourself early in the day sets the tone for continuous improvement. Expressing gratitude. Spread positivity by expressing gratitude. Send a thank you message, compliment someone, or express your love to family and friends. It fosters connection and joy. Remember, how you spend your first hour sets the tone for the entire day. Master your mornings, master your day. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day ahead.